Flask, the micro web framework that carries a heavyweight punch. Crafted with Python simplicity in mind by Armin Wonencher in 2010, it has since become a go-to solution for web developers seeking agility and freedom. Light and modular, Flask gives you the essentials to get a web application up and running without enforcing a specific structure or components. Whether it's crafting a small web service or powering a complex web application, Flask stands as a testament to Python's battery-included versatility. At its core, Flask is minimalistic and designed to be easy to extend. It doesn't make decisions for you, but it gives you the tools to make those decisions effectively. Getting started is a breeze. With a few lines of Python, you can have a basic web server up and running. Flask's famous Hello World example demonstrates its simplicity and ease of use. Routing in Flask is straightforward. Use decorators to link functions to URLs, making it easy to create and manage web pages in your application. Flask supports variable rules in its URL routing, allowing dynamic content to be passed from the URL into the view functions as an argument. The framework provides request and response objects for a more convenient and Pythonic interface to HTTP. With Flask, accessing form data, JSON payloads and files is clean and simple. Flask's template engine is Ginger 2, which allows for dynamic generation of HTML from the backend, enabling interactive and user-specific web pages. For larger applications, Flask blueprints allow you to organize your project into segments, promoting cleaner and more readable code. Flask is also WSGI compliant, meaning it can be paired with a variety of production-ready servers and it can scale as your application grows. Security is a high priority in Flask. It includes protection against CSRF, cross-site scripting and JSON security threats right out of the box. Flask's ecosystem is also rich and vibrant, whether it's database integration with Flask-SQLAlchemy, user authentication with Flask login, or web form handling with Flask-WTF. There's likely a Flask extension that fits your need. For API development, Flask RESTful provides a quick and natural way to build RESTful APIs. The Flask command line interface is a powerful tool that allows developers to interact with the application and the environment it's running in. Summing up, Flask is the epitome of Python's philosophy, a lot of power and flexibility packed into a simple and intuitive interface. It's a prime example of how Python can be leveraged to make web development more accessible and enjoyable. If this exploration of Flask has ignited your curiosity, smash that like button, share your Flask endeavors in the comments, and ensure you are subscribing to ILTP-WC for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next episode. My name is Christian, bye bye.